Okay, so magandang buhay muli sa kanilang lahat. We're going to discuss about the lacing, the winding. The last work to be done on the motor winding is the lacing. There are many ways of doing this and the style varies as well. The windings is sometimes identified as original or not by the way it is tied down. Though the style is not as important as the purpose of tying the winding. One method of tying is illustrated as it is done step by step. Okay, so meron tayo dito procedure or step by step. So ito yung stator natin, procedure number 1 or step number 1, make a fixed knot on the winding. So tatalian daw natin ng permanenteng tali doon sa running starting winding dito. Kahit saan tayo magsimula, pwede na fixed knot. That is step number 1. Then we have the step number 2. So makikita yun, natalian na natin ng permanente rito. Then, use a twisted small magnet wire to fish the twine. So gagawa raw tayo ng fishing wire o fish wire na magnet wire. Ito ay pang dukot natin dun sa tali natin. So, follow the dotted line. So, ipapasok natin yung tali dun sa tinalian natin dito. Then, gagamitin natin yung fish wire para madukot natin palabas, papasok doon. That is step number 2. Use a twisted small magnet wire to fish the twine. Okay, may dotted line po doon. Papasok natin doon. Susundin lang natin yung procedure. Then, we have the procedure number 3 or step number 3. Pull the twine with a fish wire through the space between the sides and insert the loop in the direction of the dotted lines. Okay, again. So, may loop na po tayo rito na ipasok natin sa una. Yon. Then again, make a loop. So, follow the dotted line. Ipapasok natin doon sa una natin, pinasok doon sa windings, yung loop. That is step number 3. Pull the twine with a fish wire through the space between the sides and insert the loop. Yan. In the direction of the dotted lines. Okay, papasok natin doon, dotted lines. Doon, papasok natin. That is step number 3. Then step number 4. Follow the dotted lines to insert the twine. Okay, so naipasok natin doon. Ayun. Sa pinol natin, hinila po natin bago yun. Lumit daw po doon. Yun. Ito na yun. So ipapasok natin yung twine na naman doon sa loop. Follow the dotted lines to insert the twine. So ipapasok ulit natin doon. Dito. In between the slots. Dito. That is step number 4. Pagpasok natin dito, step number 5, ayun. Same procedure as step number 4. Follow the dotted lines to insert the twine. Ayun. Pagpasok natin, then ipasok natin yung loop dito sa dotted line. That is step number 5. Same. Follow the step number 4. Then, again, step number 6. Parehas lang po. Again, follow the dotted line. Papasok ulit natin yung twine doon sa loop. So, ang procedure natin, follow the dotted lines to insert the twines from step number 4. Ulitin natin sa step number 5. Then, ulitin natin sa step number 6. Hanggang sa matapos yung pagtatali po natin. Ayan. The final result of the step illustrated above. Repeat the procedures until all the winding is tied down. So ito na po yung itsura ng natalian po natin na running at saka starting winding. So that is the procedure sa pagtatali ng bagong rewound na motor natin. Okay, again, maraming salamat po sa kanilang lahat, and God bless us all.